Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today I've got a little collective haul from various different places and I thought I'd just show you what I got. So we went to Lakeside, me, mum and my sister, and just picked up a couple of bits. I didn't try to go too mad because I'm trying to be better and trying to shop second hand, which on that note, if you like my top, I got this in a recent charity shop haul. It was actually a video that's uploaded yesterday, so if you haven't seen that then go check it out. I recreate influencers' outfits and it's a super fun video. I really enjoyed filming that one, but if you do want to see or what I picked up then just keep watching. Right, so as I said, I'm trying to kind of pick things out at random. I don't want to do it in any particular order, but the first shop we went into was Primark. And I picked up these shorts. As I said, I'm trying to restrict what I buy, but I really liked these and I thought I'd get them. So they were £10. I got them in a size 16, which if you've watched my hauls before, you'll know I'm like a 14 on the bottom. But I went up a size slightly because I actually have some pair of black leather shorts which I got in a haul last year, which when I got them when I was about a 10 and I picked up a 14 and they fit, so I knew I'd have to go up a size. But they're just these brown shorts. They're quite a decent length. They've got pockets at the sides but not at the back, and I thought these were quite cute. As I say, they were £10. I just thought these with like a cream top would be cute, and I quite like leather shorts, the transition from spring into summer kind of, and also you kind of get away with wearing them with tights. So here are the shorts. I think they're super cute. They actually fit really nice. They're a tiniest bit baggy around my waist, but I'd expect that for a size 16, but they actually fit on my legs, on my bum really comfortably. They're not super tight. I'm not feeling restricted in them. I think I probably would style them quite simply with just like a black cami or even like a white jumper. I think it would look super cute. But I love leather shorts. I find they're so versatile. You can style them lots of ways. They've got pockets and I really like these. So these are definitely a win from me. I also, from Primark, picked up from the men's section this, as it was reduced to £10, and I'm obsessed with Falcon the Winter Soldier, and although I hate the new Captain America, I got Captain America onesie. I got this in a size small to extra small, which in no way I am, but it looks quite big. I will put on a try on clip of it to see if it fits or not for everybody. And it's got a big Captain America logo at the back. It's got his sort of helmet detail at the top. And this is just super soft. And I haven't had a onesie since I was a child and I miss it. And I'm going to sit and watch Falcon and Winter Soldier tonight in my onesie. And I'm just like delighted. So I picked up that. So, there's not much to say about this one, apart from the fact that this is the coolest thing I've ever worn in my life, and I think I look really stylish. Hold on, let's get full effect. With my top knot as well, this is going to be interesting. Do I look like Captain Rogers? I'm not quite so sure, but this is fun. I would say, with a men's onesie, obviously the crotch is a bit more dropped. But obviously it doesn't matter, I was wearing this around the house. I always think the extra small to small probably would fit a size 8 or 6 baggy, 8 probably comfortably up to probably a 12. I think anything higher than 12, maybe I'm about 12 to 14, but anything higher than sort of 14 to 16, you might want to go up a size, maybe get a medium. But I mean, I'm wearing a Captain America onesie. I think I look really cool right now. I love it. Can't believe this is going on the internet. And the final thing I think I picked up in Primark was this swimming costume. So I had a clear out and none of my bikinis / swimming costumes fit. I've gone up quite a lot in the chest and kind of all over, and I found my boobs kind of falling out of any swimming costume I tried on. But I got this and I thought this is kind of high necked enough that hopefully it's not too booby. I'm not planning on going on any holidays, although I wish I could. And if I do book a holiday, obviously I'll let you guys know, and I'm sure there'll be lots of swimwear hauls. But for now I wanted one just because Justin is a member at David Lloyd and we go to the spa quite a lot when lockdown's not happening, and I wanted a swimming costume where I feel nice and covered up that I could wear to David Lloyd's swimming costume, like to the swimming pool. And I got this in size 14 and it was £6, which is super cheap. I just love this colour. I think this is great with a tan, without a tan. I think this is actually a colour that would look nice when you're pale, which I don't say often. But I think this is super cute, and as I say, it looks quite covered up, which is great for when I'm going into the spa. So I really like that, and if I'm going swimming or anything, not that again I ever really am. So here is the swimming costume. There's not too much to say about it. I don't think it's the most flattering swimming costume, to be honest. Like, it's not doing much for me. It's kind of flattening down my boobs and not highlighting my curves. So in reality, this isn't the beautiest swimming costume. It's practical. I'd wear it if I was going swimming. but I don't think this is necessarily the one to get if you've got my body shape, because I don't think it's super flattering. However, it fits, I'm in it, it's a swimming costume, and it will do, but definitely not my favourite. I think I probably should have gone a bit more adventurous with the swimming costumes, but I think after trying on loads and loads of my old ones, I was a bit kind of like I wasn't sure what was going to fit me. I think I kind of panicked and just got one that isn't super flattering. However, it does fit, it's a swimming costume, so we've found one that does fit at least, it's just maybe not super flattering. A couple of odd bits and pieces I got from Wilko's. I got some of these. These are like Lenore Unstoppables, but they are from Wilko's, which I've not seen them before. They were £3 and they are in the fragrance tropical fruits and peony. And I'm going to just try and open them. I haven't actually opened them, but they look great. I don't know if I can, but I'm kind of smelling it through the packaging, and it smells really super summery and fresh, and I really like these. I'm going to pop these in little bags and put them in my drawers with my underwear and my clothes, stuff like that, to keep it smelling fresh. And also, if I'm doing some washing and I fancy it smelling super nice, I'll put some of them in. I also, for Justin, picked up this little torch. It was £2.50 from Wilko's. It's literally just a torch. He's been having some issues with his car, and he was been borrowing my torch that was in my car. So I thought I would buy him a torch, because although the iPhone torches are good, these are super bright, and obviously then it means if you need your phone, you can use that. And also it's got a sort of hand strap, which means you can kind of hang it up, and I really like these. They're really powerful, and that was £2.50, which is quite expensive, I think, but you know, why not? Then also from Wilko's, I picked up some toenail clippers. Not very interesting at all, but I needed some for the studio because I will have some, but they're not very good, so I thought I'd get some proper good toenail clippers, which I can use for when I'm cutting nails and everything like that, so that's super handy. Then from Poundland, along with the kind of studio vibes, I picked up some antibacterial household wipes, and these in the scent lemon and mandarin. I know I got some in my haul the other day, but I'm getting through these so quickly because I have to sanitise everything in between clients, which is obviously completely fine, but it does mean I go through wipes a lot. I do prefer wipes in the studio over spray in a cloth because I don't really have time in between, whereas with these I have them sort of in my trolley and I can quickly wipe down in between clients. I can get into everywhere, like my nail lamp, places like that. So these were, you get 90 and they were £1. I did pick up some and you got 50 I think for £1, but obviously this is just a tiny bit better value, and I think they're kind of, I don't know if they're called Mr. Valet apparently, but I like them. I also picked up from Poundland these crunchy Cadbury cake bars because I like food and I was hungry, and even though you had a Shake Shack, which was gorgeous, and if you haven't had a Shake Shack before, you're missing out, then definitely check that out. But I also picked up some crunchy cake bars, and these are new and they were nice. They're a bit, the caramelly taste of it is a bit coffee-y, which I don't love, but in general they're quite nice, and they were £1 obviously. I also picked up Justin a long lighter because he loves a candle, and we've got quite a lot of the Home Bargains kind of style, like their mock on the Yankee Candle large jars, and I can just about get my hand in to light it with a normal lighter, but he can't. So I got him one of these ones with kind of the longer tip because a lot of his candles burn right down, but he will use them until they're done. So it just means this way we can actually burn the candles without kind of burning our hand, so that's always good. And then I also picked up some of these Skinny Dream Rocky Road bars. Super random, but my mum used to do Slimming World, and she used to get the Slimming World bars, and they were like the high fibre bars, and I used to eat them all the time because they tasted so good. And these are literally identical, like they have the same flavour, they're the same size, they're the same everything. They're 75 or less than 75 calories, they're 70 calories, and these are super nice. I really like them. They're tasty, good to put in your handbag if you're going out and you just want to have a snack in case. And then finally, which was actually the most exciting purchase of the day, I went into Ann Summers, which if you have been around here for a while, you know I love lingerie, I love underwear, and unfortunately as I've gone up quite a lot of sizes during lockdown, I had to chuck out basically all of my old lingerie, and it was heartbreaking, and I've got no nice lingerie. So anyway, I picked it, went in there, and they have a massive sale on. So if you like underwear and you like shopping in Ann Summers, which I do because although I love Victoria's Secret and all that, they're not inclusive for sizing. I can't get my size there and I'm not particularly big. For anyone wondering, I'm 34F and they don't stock my size in there, which is super annoying. So certain places do, certain places don't. And to be fair, the thing I brought in Alzheimer's isn't actually my size, but they had lots of sets in my size in the sale, which is even better. They had bras for £10 with matching knickers, so nice. But I picked up one set, which was really nice. It was like a pink and black lace set. But I worked out once I brought the bra, the suspender belt and the like thong, it would be like over £30. And I was kind of like looking at that thinking, oh cheap, £10 a bra. But then when I worked out how much it would cost for the whole set, I was like, that's actually quite a lot. Whereas the bodysuits were like £25 to £30. And I was like, still expensive, but actually going to be cheaper, and I prefer this. However, the bodysuits didn't go up to my size, or not the ones that they had in the sale anyway. So I picked this up in a size, it's a size 14 for D to double D. However, with sort of lingerie and stuff I know I won't be wearing out the house, I know I'll probably only be in it 5 minutes, so I don't really mind if it doesn't fit my boobs particularly well. This was £25 and I actually got some discount because my sister had a student discount card, so I actually got I think 20% of that, so it was £20 and it's this gorgeous sort of black and blue with gold detail little bodysuit. It's got the suspender belt sort of clasp already on there, which is super cute. They are detachable if you don't like that. It's a thong back and I just think this is gorgeous. It's also got some sort of blue and gold kind of clasping, which is super cute, and I'm not going to try it on for a try on clip, but I'm so excited and I really hope it fits. And yeah, I love this, and for £25 for a really nice quality sturdy bodysuit with the suspender sort of straps already in it, I think this is gorgeous and I'm super impressed with this. And if you are in the market for anything like that, Ann Summers is great. They've got a great selection. I really like their like motto of being really sex positive and just being like, yeah, have fun, wear sexy lingerie. Like, I love that, and I love how their sizes are quite inclusive, and that makes me happy. So, Ann Summers, you are my dream, and yeah, that's everything I got today. I really hope you enjoyed today's haul. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what your favourite out of lockdown purchase is, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!